What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding squaring square roots. Basically that's part of multiplication of square roots. First example I have is 4 root 11 times negative 3 root 11. Answer is 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Root 11 times root 11 is 11. So it's going to be minus 132. Next example is 2 root 13 times negative 9 root 13. Answer is 2 times negative 9 is negative 18. Root 13 times root 13 is going to be 13. The answer will be minus 234. Next example is negative 3 root 12 times negative 2 root 6. Answer is negative 3 times negative 2 is 6 root 72, which is 6 root 36 root 2. Square root of 36 is 6. 6 times 6 36 root 2. Next example, we have 5 root 3 squared. Answer will be 5 root 3 times 5 root 3. 5 times 5, 25. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is going to be 75. Next example, 6 root 5 to the power of 2. Answer is 6 root 5 times 6 root 5. 36 times 5 will be 180. Next example, negative 4 root 10 squared. Answer is negative 4 root 10 times negative 4 root 10. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Root 10 times root 10 is going to be 10. The answer is going to be 160. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of playlists regarding square roots and also other topics in math and science. Thank you.